It's Creative Catastrophe showing you how to make, whoa, an unsharp, for the mothers, chainsaw thing. Here is how to do it. You will need about, I don't know, no, 8 pieces of paper? Doesn't matter. First to do is,
okay, guys, we're not going to go to bed as late as
fold it in half.
Jack, you got to clean up the Legos, dude.
Unfold it. Fold 2 corners down onto it. Fold it down. And fold these 2 corners up. So you had it like this. And now you have it like this. Now fold it in half. And fold it in half and unfold. Fold one corner up like this, not the other way, this way. Make sure it is this way. And do the same with the other. Like this. And then fold it in half, like so. And you're done. Now make 8 more of these and connect them like this. So you can see how I connected it. Like this, and then like this, and like that, and tape it all together. That's how to make an unsharp chainsaw for the mothers. Bye.